So this video is about the do-it-yourself GPS tracker application, and this left device is running the tracker, and there's a parent application called do-it-yourself GPS manager, which I'm gonna show. But so I'm showing the manager to see how it works with the tracker. The tracker's goal for me is to be an anti-theft device. As you can see, I started it. I already logged in, but if you go to the settings, the main purpose or the do-it-yourself nature of this application is that I'm not storing any data, any location data. It doesn't have its own backend, but rather the user, who has to have some technical knowledge, should set up their own Firestore backend for it. Then once you set up the Firestore backend, you enter your project ID, application ID, and API key, and then connect to that backend. Once you connect it to that backend, the tracker can periodically log the location data, and besides that, the battery as well. So how this gonna work as a anti-theft device? You would take this phone which is running the tracker application, place it in your car, and then I would start the manager. Now the manager, you can see two cars here I am testing, but the manager has similar configuration, so I would connect the manager to the same Firestore backend, which once again is not managed by me. It's a do-it-yourself nature, so the user sets his own database backend for himself or herself. Once you connect it to it, then you can create assets. So in this case, what we see running on the tracker, I named as asset 1, and with this lock button, I can instruct it to have a geofence around it. So if a car thief takes my car, then the car may exit the geofence, then I'm gonna be able to track it, and I can get a notification about that event. So that's the lock icon. So like I am clicking on it now, it's geofenced, I'm gonna unlock it. And let's say if it's stolen, the car, I can click on this locate icon, and I can see where the tracker device is located. So this is how the do-it-yourself GPS tracker works, and I'm logging in, and it's essential for its functionality to have GPS location data, because that's what it does. In the future versions, by the way, you can see already the battery level. I'm gonna integrate temperature sensor reading and also accelerometer. So if the car is just shaken because let's say a thief is working on it, then I'm trying to unlock, sorry, the fact that I'm videoing, I cannot unlock. If a thief just shakes the car, I can get a notification as well. Or let's say if it's in a detached garage, which is the case in my with my car, and there's a fire in the garage, I can also get a notification online through my manager app. So it's the tracker I'm making this video, but the two applications are essential to work together. Both of them are open source. Both of them has what you can see by the way, find you can see the website's address in the listing, and it's all open source. So yeah, that's I hope this satisfies you. Let me know if I need to explain anything more in more details.